there! Hey, you alright, bro? Get out. How's your girl? You good?
Bro, you good?
Hey, get your outfit. Your car's leaking, bro. You good? You good? Get everybody out of the car. Everybody out the car. Get your girl out, fool. Hey, get anything that's of value, fool. Get it out of your car. Anything that's value, get it out your car. Hey, you guys good? Hey, you good, bro? Everybody good?
I'm just stepping out.
That's your mom?
No, it was her and the other chick.
Okay. Damn. What the hell? Dude, that happened legit in front of me, guys. If I didn't move, that thing would have hit me right here and then.
Bro, that shit almost hit you.
Yeah, I know, dude. It almost hit me. I see that thing.
Hey, anybody got a fire extinguisher just in case?
That was a hard hit. Damn. Luckily, everybody's good, we're good. Damn. Holy crap, guys. This lady almost hit the side. Holy damn. Holy crap. Alright, next location, cops are coming in right now, guys. Hot. A lot of people are just running away right now.